Welcome to Techiatto, Galaxy S20 FE 2025, still worth it. Hey everyone, welcome to Techiatto. Today, we're taking a look at a phone that refuses to be forgotten, the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. It was released back in 2020, but in 2025, is it still worth your attention? Let's find out. The S20 FE, or FE Edition, was designed to bring flagship features to a more affordable price point. With a Snapdragon 865 chipset, a 120Hz Super AMOLED display, and a triple camera setup, it really punched above its price back then. But how does it hold up 5 years later? Let's talk performance. Surprisingly, the Snapdragon 865 is still capable. Sure, it's not matching modern flagships like the S24 Ultra, but for everyday tasks, gaming, and multitasking, it's still very smooth, especially with 6 or 8 GB of RAM. One UI updates have helped keep it fresh too, though it may no longer be getting the latest Android versions after 2024. The display is still one of its strong points. That 6.5-inch 120Hz AMOLED screen is bright, colorful, and fluid. Compared to budget and mid-range phones of 2025, it still feels premium. However, bezels are a bit thick by today's standards, and the design isn't as modern as newer phones. Now, let's talk cameras. The 1.2MP main shooter and ultra-wide still take decent photos in good lighting. Night mode and video stabilization are solid, but don't expect miracles. If you're into mobile photography, there are better options out there now, but for casual users, it still delivers battery life. The 4,500 mAh battery still holds up pretty well, especially with software optimizations. Fast charging is capped at 5W, which feels slow today, but it gets the job done. So, who is this phone for in 2025? If you're on a tight budget and want something reliable with a smooth display, decent performance, and a trusted brand, the S20 FE is still a solid buy. You can find it used or refurbished at a great price. But if you're after the latest features, camera tech, or long-term software support, you might want to look elsewhere. That's it for today. Let me know in the comments, would you still use an S20 FE in 2025? Or do you think it's time to move on? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Catch you in the next one, here on Techiatto.